And these things are really long. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of start down at the bottom, and I'm just going to start cutting off, sawing off foot-long segments until I get the number that I need. I think I'm going to try to go for maybe 6 total. I think that's all I've got room for. Maybe a few more than that. We'll see how many pots I have lying around. So that's what we're going to do next. Alright guys, well thanks for joining me tonight as I propagated this corn plant. Hopefully it's going to produce us several new baby corn plants that we can use in our home and share with family and friends. So we'll be checking back on the progress and seeing how it's growing. Thanks guys.